case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1952, the New Jersey Superior Court, Chancery Division, heard a contentious dispute over the sale of a real estate property in the case of Pankow v. Rogers. The disagreement was sparked by a mutual error. The plaintiffs had one figure in mind for the selling price, $12,500, while the actual price was significantly lower at $5,500. The central figures in this story were the plaintiffs, who wanted to back out of the agreement, and the defendant who wished to see the sale enforced. The property owner, an elderly man named John who struggled with hearing problems, had a peripheral involvement in the negotiations. The property was publicly advertised for sale, drawing the defendant who interpreted the price as $5,500. When the plaintiffs realized the miscommunication, they tried to refund the defendant's money, intending to resolve the situation amicably. Despite both parties acknowledging the mistake during the negotiations, the finalized agreement bore an asymmetrical error. The defendant was aware of the actual price, while the plaintiffs still believed they were selling at a higher value. There was no fraud involved, simply a misunderstanding about the sale price, leading to legal backlash involving the plaintiffs wanting a rescission and the defendant pressing for specific performance. In the end, the court dismissed the defendant's plea for enforcing the agreement. The quest for specific performance was seen as excessively unjust for the plaintiffs, tipping the scales of fairness and justness. Thus, the court upheld the principle of substantial justice for both parties, deeming that the agreement does not need to be honored, thus exonerating the plaintiffs from their obligation to sell the property to the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.